Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install Claude AI on Windows. So to start, open any browser, then go to Claude AI and sign in. Now once you're here, click the three dots in the top right corner. Then scroll down and go to Cast, Save, and Share. Once you're here, look for Install Claude and click on that. Then click Install to confirm the action. Next, you can also go to the address bar on the right side and click this computer icon with an arrow beside the star icon. So click on that to install Claude. Then click Install to confirm the action. So wait for the installation to complete, then launch Claude from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. Then you can sign in with your Anthropic account or create a new account if you don't have one yet. So if you want to pin this to your taskbar, just right click on it and click Pin to Taskbar. You can also click the Start menu right here for quick access. So Claude AI is now installed and ready to use on your Windows PC. So Claude Desktop supports Windows 10 and later. Now if you're using Microsoft Edge, so let's search for Claude. So open Microsoft Edge and search for Claude, then sign in. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner, then scroll down and go to More Tools. Once you're here, go to Apps, then click Install Claude. Click Install again to confirm the action. Wait for it to be installed, and a new window will appear. So that means Claude AI is already installed as an app on your PC or on your Windows. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.